Bitcoin broke to the upside, and now the question is, how high can we actually go here? And there are multiple new bullish patterns evolving that could hint to where Bitcoin might be heading here next. So I will make this a short one today. So just make sure that you smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell. And now let's directly get into it. Here on the 1 hourly chart for Bitcoin, we have seen here this bull flag that has now broken to the upside yesterday night with it, this nice move here. So, and for this bull flag, the potential target would be all the way up at around $18,000. So another target that we should have here in mind right now is the inverse head and shoulders target, which is around $18,200 or $400 it was, I think. Yeah, $500, so $18,500. So here you see we have two different take profit points that we can actually free. I would count this here as another one, where we can take profit. And when you look now at the percentage gains, so you see this, where the price is right now, would be still a good entry for a long position to the upside. So because we can make here, if we use 10x leverage, between 40 and 70% in the next coming days here, if Bitcoin can maintain the momentum here. But we should also not forget, Bitcoin is right now highly volatile with everything that's going on. And I would be careful here and would definitely set a stop loss. So, and my stop loss would be more or less here at $17,060. So that is not a big one. So you see, I would even lose less than 10% if we would hit here our stop loss. So with the highest return here, that is a 7-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So a really high reward. That is a trade that is worth taking. Even with the smallest target, it's a 4-to-1 risk to return ratio, which is also absolutely fine here. Everything above 2 or even 3, I like over 3. 3-to-1 is something that I like to take on the lower end of the target, not the highest end, because there's no limit. But on the smaller, on the lower end, if I have a technical target pointing to a 3 or 4 to 1 risk to return ratio, then I'm more than happy to take that kind of risk here. So yeah, that is what we see here on the 1 hourly chart. On the 1 hourly chart, we are riding the 200 moving average. We have also crossed bullish here at that point, but on the 4 hourly chart, things looking a little bit different. So here we have one major problem, and that is that we have to get above the 200 moving average on the 4 hourly chart, which is holding us right now down. So, and we can clearly see this here. The price action tried to get close to the 200 and got immediately rejected from there. That is a sign that there is somewhat of the last point of resistance here from the bears. With that rejection here to the downside. So, but if the bulls can find the momentum, we could see really quick here also another bullish crossover where the 50 goes over the 200 here, and the price action would be then actually around these levels somewhere here. I'm watching this closely. I might open later a long position. If I do, I will post it in the free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. I will do it on BYBIT, just for the guys that have not yet an account yet. Also, there's a link in the comments below with a $30,000 bonus if you use my link in the description below. So things start to look here a little bit more bullish for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. So, but here comes now my but. On the daily time frame, I still don't like how things are looking. So we got rejected from the middle of the EMA ribbon, so which was expected from me, as I had pointed that yesterday already out, that we could see a pump to close to the middle and then a rejection. That's what we're seeing right now. So, but I think that the chances have dramatically increased now with these other bullish patterns on the lower time frame, that we could see a pump all the way up at least to the top of the EMA ribbon, even above that, because that's what the price action likes to do. It likes to sucker people in and goes above it and then fakes out and comes back down again. So that is basically the play that I'm looking here at right now. I don't believe that this will play out any different than exactly that scenario, but time will of course tell. But yeah, that's basically what I'm looking at right now. So, but that doesn't mean that we cannot take advantage of that while the price is going up, that we take a long position, make some money, get out early enough at the 3 different take profit points that I've just shown you along the way, and then ride this thing back down to wherever it goes and rinse and repeat the whole process. So today I also want to quick talk about Ethereum. Also here we have seen a bullish break on the 4-hourly chart with this bull flag pattern breaking here to the upside. So the technical target would be also $1,400. Here we see that the stochastic RSI is overbought here right now and wants to correct. So, but this can technically still flatline for a couple of days while the price is still going higher. That can definitely happen, as it has happened in the past multiple times where we've seen something like this. So, but I like to have a look here also on the daily. On the daily, things are looking not as bullish as on the 4-hourly chart. Also here, I would expect somewhat of a move back to the downside. Let me see here. There is also still... No, there's not. Yeah, so also here, even though the price is moving up here right now, I would not count on that it is continuing to do so. Like I said, we could see here a pump to $1,400 approximately here, actually to this level here. That is the immediate next target for Ethereum here. So that is the next resistance for the Ethereum price that I would be looking out for. From where the price is right now, that is still also close to 5%. With a 10x leverage, that's also 50%. If you want to trade that, don't forget you can do that on BYBIT and on Bitget. So in my stop loss, I would set my stop loss, yeah, let's say here at the bottom of the daily candle that we have right now. So 1% to the downside, yeah, just to make sure if I get stopped out, that I don't lose more than 10% on this trade. But I will most likely use 2 to 5% of my trading portfolio, and if I lose from that 5%, 10%, so it's like 0.5% that I actually lose on my trading portfolio, which is absolutely fine. And that is also something what you should do. You should manage your risk, especially in volatile times as we see them right now unfolding. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.